So our door opening needed to be centered in our hallway, so we couldn't cheat it very much, and it lined up right in the middle of one of these fox blocks, the plastic webbing, and it did not cut well at all. It kept breaking out the styrofoam when it caught on the blade, and then even when you're trying to cut just the webs off so that we could get the method that we found that works best is to cut a clean line on the inside, then use a square to go over and mark, and we snap a line, and then we cut a clean line on the outside. We don't have a very clean line out here, but we'll figure out something, and then we'll make marks out here and then come back and saw that on a second pass. We tried to do it all in one pass, and our saw was like this, or it would wander on us, and we even had a jig made up to where we had something square to run down and on our saw. Still didn't work. So that's what we found worked best. But man, all of our other windows, if they land on here and they're not centered in a wall or in an what do you call that, an assembly, then we just move it to where it's not on a fox block, and that way we don't have to worry about it, because that sucks. Okay.
Ew, that was sweat.
Oh, it's wet.
There's sweat mixed in.
Probably.
My phone is
I got the coolant so I can grab it with my bare hand. Okay, so this is the square that we're using. I have it set to where it just doesn't quite touch that wall. So I find a place where I like my cut right there. I have taken the line out, but I can still see the line, so I know that one's really good. I get a square on there, come over here and make a mark, and then we'll take a chalk line. I have a mark up there, and we'll chalk line a line down that, and then that'll be my line that I go in and cut to. Adds accuracy to your squares.
There's a storm coming tonight, so we're not going to have a repeat of the other day, so we're bracing everything that's put together.
Sorry about your,
You
it's all right.
I don't think I'm going to go a whole lot tighter than that. I'm going to flip it all the way around. Okay.
So by tapping it like that, it tightens up this to that and takes any of the bows out. If you just try to crank on it, it gets tight here, and then it just springs back and it doesn't actually tighten up the cam. So the tappy tap tap works. Okay. Oi, oi.
Okay. There's one in there good.
I would put one back here. That's going to give us our most amount of. Now, do we need a kicker out here? I think they call them kickers because they kick all the time.
Kick them all the time. Is that why?
I'm guessing, I don't know. Like, kicker doesn't make sense. I was like, oh yeah, there's really script on it.